Thank you. How much they pay to learn mechanic work? To learn, no be say you sabi. You go dey learn, they pay you because they go send you to go play screwdrivers or kind things. Play now, as they play, they shoot. You see, limit people now, information. If you go there, you see, you know, 50 phone. There's somebody go there, go to phone. You know why you see to phone?
This is my brother's sponsor. This clearance.
Clearance.
Suppose this threat like this.
Okay.
But no, this one now don't bend.
This one not best, so they type to enter.
Yes.
Black people, okay. Maybe they enter freely. Yeah. Attack. The only camera will just go. When did they go? You know, say these guys, most of them not even be educated one bit. Okay, I'll fix them now. This one, Audi this is strong, go. But they get the same Toyota, this thing. I just surprised, though. But I just the system made a difference, Abi. Yeah, they're not down. So maybe I can put your number. Now put your number. Those are the main questions. So most when they put your number, they will call you. Most people will call you now to get information. Some of them, that way you change that time.
So like that.
When you put small inside, Abi. So this one why you don't put two inside. Okay, just increase the pressure. Wait, can I see that one? Wait, okay. You don't make an expand.
But that one thing now. This one thing now. That's thing now.
Now this is now. This one is pressure.
Okay, okay.
Something no good. Get my only put double spring.
Okay, okay.
We help when done hot, Abi. But that thing come and get over. The friction goes too much. You over soft. So that's why I was never put ourselves. So sometimes soft they too dangerous. I say I want swap. I nearly enter bridge. Too soft. And when they speed, now the walls pass. That time when they speed, they don't say they run speed, so they reduce the tension so that if you don't speed on high speed, you do small, you don't go too worried because power see that. This one on the light on speed, so me I dey very careful now. And they say normally Corolla dey very light. You can't be when you carry passenger, you walk fast. I mean sometimes you people Corolla the way people don't know why. Corolla never carry for free before. You gotta carry for free well though. I like to drive far like a bad, they like to go alone. It's too light. Okay? Sir?
Nothing.
Yes. So the couple
Andy, what are you thinking?
No. Selling what?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, yes, no shaking.
Okay, I never pump too much.
Okay.
So you see the wind, the car come up.
Yeah, you go come out, that's small one. Okay. You're down the wall. Don't work. Alright. Mission accomplished.